and you still want to help and still want to be part of your SEO, SEM performance, what can a small business owner do on their own so they can have the agency, they can have the online, they can do today, do the actions so things can change in the future. And it's also so we know if things are all well today, they might not be well tomorrow. Things are happening all the time. 40% of Forbes 500 firms did not have mobile websites optimized. Their business have changed. I know you guys heard the news, but as yesterday the news came out, the Macy's is going to close 100 of its own stores. And Macy's is like a very strong retailer. The other two, Sport Authority and Sport Chalet, are closing their doors too. They announced it last month. So we see all of those big companies, because they didn't step up the game, that's what happened. And the same thing is going to happen with a small business owner. If you don't take action today, if you're going to take action in 2018, 2019, guess what? Everybody else is going to be doing this. So you're going to be left behind. And one review or one blog post or one article is not going to be worth as much in 2019 as worth right now. You know how much catch up you're going to have to do? So people ask, how does Google, tell me simple, how does Google really rank? Look, let's give an example. We have 100 AC repair companies in Los Angeles. For example, 100 AC repair, or let's say 1,000, even better. That's how many there is, around 1,500. Let's say 1,000 AC repair companies there is. Now Google has to determine which of those 1,000 is one of the best, or the top 10. What are the top 10 out of the 1,000? How Google's going to decide that? There's Google factors, a lot of factors, over 200 factors that Google is going to incorporate. Forget all those terms that we talked about, just simple answer. Google needs to see how many people link to you, how many pages your website has, how many pictures your website has, how much you have on a search image search, how many results you get, how many videos you have on YouTube, how many reviews you have on Yelp, how many blog posts you have, how many social media likes you have, how many tweets you have, how many retweets you have. Those are all the factors, right? And then Google says, okay, those 10 have the most blog posts, have the best content, have the most Yelp reviews, they have the most local citations, they're on every online directory, they have Facebook posts every week, they have tweets every week, they have 1,000 Facebook likes, 300 Twitter followers, and determines those are the top 10 results. So if you just set up the company today, an AC company, you're 1,001 company, right? So you need to do as much as those 10 are doing, you have to do it right away. But you can't get it done in a month, because if you do in a month, get 1,000 followers and 1,000 and 20 reviews and 100 blog posts, search engines, they're gonna put a red flag on you. Like, this is not natural, it's not organic. Nobody can get like 30 reviews on Yelp as an AC repair company. The number one AC repair company in business 5 years have 80 reviews, and they were getting them for 5-6 years. So that's very important to start your actions today. So what would we recommend for you as a small business owner to do? Very important is take pictures of your products, of your food, of your happy customers, of if you're the AC repair company, of your work, what you have done, your workers, your team members, your van, testimonials of the customers. Give advice. People have questions. Is it worth to exchange my AC repair? How often should I do my AC maintenance? You have the who questions. You have all of those online questions where you can participate and you can give people advice. Yes, somebody from East Coast is not gonna buy your AC equipment or order an AC company from Los Angeles to go and do the AC installation in Maryland, in East Coast. But somebody from California might be reading the same question and answer. It's like, oh, this guy, AC expert Los Angeles, they know the answer. Let me call them their price. I like how they do, I like how they handle, and that's how you gain customer. For search engine, they can see that you're being active online, that you're giving advice, so you're becoming the authority. When you become the authority, you're getting backlinks from that, and you're outranking your competitors, because competitors are not doing that yet. Organize events. You can make the events, like, local events, people come to your office, you can have gallery, you can have, free advice, you can have, give away the cold water or something where you can generate a lot of content. You can write about the event. You can post event on online medias. You can take pictures about this event, right? So people take pictures. You can post those pictures on online, on the Instagram or Facebook. People see you being active. People see you're a real company. That's what users are looking for. Write content. You have a case study, you can write about it. Like why people should maintain their AC. What can happen in the AC. We have a story that our building almost burned down because the AC was already placed correctly. Right? So that's very important. Improve your reputation. Google yourself and see how good reputation you have. Are people writing reviews about you? Are people writing comments about you? Are people engaging with you? Are customers leaving? Are the customers happy? Are customers just saying I'm happy and they're going with somebody else? Or customer really happy and they want to give you the rating? There's so many places for AC repair that you can get rated. Angie's List, you can get rated on Yelp, Google Plus, Facebook, everywhere. You name it, you got it. You can get ratings. So you should also ask for rating. Join online communities. There's so many online communities in the market right now. You have Facebook communities, you have Google communities, you have all of those communities that you guys should join and participate. If you have a staff, you have a secretary, before the secretaries have to make online appointments in a piece of paper and take messages, and all those things are now taken care of by technology. So what they could do is they could participate in those online communities and give users answers. Or on your own Facebook page, right? On your Facebook page, you're engaging with your users. Make the posts, share the news, answer the questions, run the giveaways, so user can share your content and they get a free T-shirt or they get a free gift card. So you make them engage more with your content online. Set up a meetup groups. You can make meetups like AC Experts LA or Better LA, Better Pollution in Los Angeles. What can we do? Record videos, like we're recording this video. We have a SEO Academy session right now. We are making a video, so we can put those videos on online platforms. People can watch them. There's more people searching on YouTube than their searches combined on Yahoo and Bing together. YouTube is the #2 search engine. So if you are not on YouTube, and how can you get on YouTube? There's only one answer: make the video. You can put a website on the YouTube because YouTube is only it's a search engine of videos. It's a library of videos. So if you don't have a video, you can be on a YouTube. So how do you make a video? Very easy. You get a camera. You can get full frame cameras. They're $1,000 and up, or you can get a half frame cameras. The Rebels, Canon or Nikon. You can for $500 you get a camera. You record. You have people. There's a store in San Francisco, auto repair guy. He used to be very local auto repair guy. He started making YouTube videos. He's now a YouTube millionaire. He's showing people how to change their brake pads themselves. One of the most viewed YouTube channels, the guy, his channel name is PewDiePie. He's making $12 million a year. So record videos, create infographics. Infographics are one of the easiest content. You can post them everywhere. People are gonna share them. Show them infographic about before and afters. Put your own, get on board graphic designer. When you're hiring a secretary, hire a secretary with the basic Photoshop skills, or sign up for the Photoshop school, or learn online on YouTube how to use basic Photoshop. We have Photoshop lessons too. We have our Photoshop expert Mark. You can tell you more about that in other videos. So after you subscribe, you can see more of our videos. Join Chamber of Commerce. Go to the events. You generate the content, generate the pictures. You meet up the locals. You can figure out what's happening in local community. It's very easy to participate, and also you're gonna get help your SEO with links and your images. Review places. If you would like to be reviewed, review other places too. Act like as a consumer. If you go have a lunch somewhere and you like it, give them a 5-star. Don't hesitate. Just give them a 5-star. You will see how it is. You will see what you get in return, and then you will see what you can do with your own customers. Online giveaways we mentioned. Those are basically basic things that you could do on daily, monthly, weekly basis to help your company grow with online marketing strategy. And this is how you're going to help the SEO agency as well. Because SEO agency can go and film with you and take pictures when you put the AC together. The SEO agency can go talk to a customer in person, say, hey, give me a rating, we did a good job for you, or please help our business with rating our business online. It's very important for us. Those are basics, what we should do. This is the SEO today. This was SEO yesterday. So now we're going to go Q&As, questions for our audience, and we'll return. Thank you.